In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Loox Product Reviews on Shopify. If you've been looking to boost your e-commerce site with visually engaging customer feedback, Loox might just be the perfect fit for you. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process of getting Loox integrated into your Shopify store. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. As you look over to the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice the various tabs and options available to you. Focus your attention on the Apps tab. This area is where you'll find all the applications you currently have or might want to add to your Shopify store. Click on that, and let's begin our journey to incorporating Loox. Once you've clicked on Apps, use the search bar feature up top and type in Loox Review. This will help you easily locate the specific app you're eager to install. After you've found Loox Product Reviews, click on it to open its dedicated app page. Here on the Loox app page, you should see a clear option to install the app. Click on this to start the installation process. It's a straightforward action, but an essential step towards enhancing customer engagement on your website. After clicking Install, you may be prompted to confirm this action. Go ahead and click Confirm to proceed. It's as simple as that. Once confirmed, the installation will commence. You'll notice that once this process is completed, it doesn't just stop there. The app will automatically open up on your dashboard. It's ready for the next phase where you'll implement Loox into your Shopify store. Here is where you follow their intuitive setup steps to fully integrate the app with your online store. While these steps are usually straightforward, it's important to ensure you follow each prompt on the screen to make sure Loox is fully and effectively set up. And just like that, you're done. Your Shopify store now features Loox Product Reviews, adding that much-needed engaging social proof to your product listings. This app does wonders by allowing customers to view visually rich reviews, which can significantly enhance trust and encourage more sales. A small tip: take some time to explore the customization options within Loox once it's all set up. Tailor it to fit the aesthetic of your store and brand, and you're likely to see an even greater impact. Thank you for following along in this quick but crucial tutorial. By tapping into the power of customer reviews with Loox on Shopify, you're better positioned to boost credibility and potentially increase your store's conversions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy selling!